Do you forget things quickly? Try this simple memory trick that can help you remember anything faster. Your brain remembers information better when it is broken into small parts. This technique is called chunking. Instead of trying to remember a long piece of information all at once, divide it into smaller groups. Asterisk, for example. If you want to remember the number 123,456,789, don't try to remember it as one long number. Break it like this: 123,456,789. Now it becomes much easier for your brain to remember. Asterisk, you can use this trick for studying, remembering phone numbers, learning new information, or even remembering important points in a lesson. Another powerful trick is visualization. When you turn information into a picture in your mind, your brain remembers it much faster. Asterisk also, repeat the information after 10 minutes. This helps move the information from short-term memory to long-term memory. Asterisk, if you found this tip helpful, like the video and subscribe to NextGen Scholar for more smart learning tips.